Hi guys, welcome back to the chart of account. Chart of account. What is a chart of account? The chart of account is the listing of all accounts that form part of a company accounting system. Therefore, it is form of the foundation of a company financial record keeping the system. See, this the chart of account means what you know. This is the all account. It is there and there is the financial record keeping system. So you can understand clearly the listing of all accounts that from part of a company accounting system. Therefore the form the foundation of the company's financial record keeping system. You understand? See the example of this. See, for example, this is the balance sheet and income. So what is the balance sheet? Assets, liability, equity. And these three elements is very important, correct? These three element assets. What are the assets is there? What are the assets means like assets, the fixed asset, the current asset, the fixed assets. What will come to the fixed asset? What will come to the current assets? Okay, what will come to the fixed assets? Like that. Short term liability, long term liability. What is the long term liability? What is the short term liability? What are the heading will come to the under the long term and short term liabilities? The equity means what? Where we are going getting money from business. So same thing, income statement. What is the income statement? Revenue account and expense account. So revenue account means what? So how we are going to get the money? Where we are going to get the money? The expense account. The same thing. Where we are going to spend? How we are going to spend? This all the elements, all the headings, it is under the chart of accounts. You can see this the next video. I will explain one by one. So what are the assets, what are the liabilities, the revenue accounts and the expense account. So then you can easily understand, and when you are going to make the balance sheet or income statement, you can see this video, then the same expense you are going to apply easily. Oh, okay, this is the revenue account, this is the expense. You can understand easily. Okay, there is a chart of account, you have to understand. You have to understand easily chart of account. Okay, I will going to make the another video for the chart of account, the balance sheet, assets, what are the like heading is there, what are the element will come to the assets, like that. Okay guys, thank you. I will make another video.